In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fly helicopters way easier here in Battlefield REDSEC or in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you don't know, when you hop into a helicopter, there's a special setting that you can turn on that keeps that chopper a lot steadier. Here's what that setting is. First, if you're on a controller, go ahead and hit pause and go into the settings section right here and scroll down until you see the controller settings within here, and then go ahead and edit those settings. Now, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a whole option for aircraft, specifically helicopter in here. Just go ahead and select the control settings, and then up at the very top you're going to see a helicopter control assist setting right here, and what this is going to do is help auto level that helicopter out, which is going to make it a lot easier for up and down control, while there's going to be less crashing while learning. Overall, you're going to get smoother flights like in older Battlefield games, and you can also use R1 and L1 to gain or lose altitude with way better control. This is obviously perfect for new pilots or anyone just practicing flying again in REDSEC. And if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.